Dear students, today I'll discuss with you one major part of the culture of Punjab, that's the rural games of Punjab. Rural games of Punjab had a unique importance in the culture of Punjab, rather of the northern India. Number one is Akhadas. These are very popular, located near the well outside the village, sometimes near the temple. These were the places where the boys learned wrestling from a guru or a pahalwan, a wrestler. Next is Chicho Ganeria. This game is for both boys and girls. It is generally played by two teams and involves drawing as many vertical lines as possible. With the passage of time, this Chicho Ganeria become a folk song of Punjab. Chicho Ganeria, do teriyan, do meriyan. Next is Gita Pathar. Some pebble stones or broken earthenwares could be broken further into pieces and used for playing the Gita Pathar. This was a game which did not involve running or jumping and was played while sitting on the floor. Next is Kagarphisi. This is a game for both for the boys. One boy would bend and the other boys, maybe one or the two or three, get on top of him. If he could bear the weight, he would win. In case he could not bear the weight and fell down, he will lose, and called Kagarphisi. Gulli Danda. This is basically a game for the boys and is the simplest version of modern cricket. It is played with wooden stick and gully. Two teams divide themselves. One throws the gully and the other team uses the danda, that is stick, to strike it. There are various other games that are played with gully danda. Another very important, very common in the Punjab rural area is the Vini Fadna. Two boys sit and hold the wrist. One holds the wrist and other tries to break away his lock. And this is called Vini Fadna. Kabaddi. This game is popular even today and is played now both by girls and the boys. This was included in the Asian Games and is very much popular all over South Asia. In the coming years, perhaps it will be included in the Olympic Games also. This game is played between the two teams. Bangladesh is having a national game as a Kabaddi. Kabaddi as a national game. It is of two styles. One is a national style and second is a circle style. Khiddo. The girls would sing with Khiddo, that is ball. In fact, these rims and game is suitable for the children. This was first round. There was the second round. Third, till the end was reached by counting 10 and singing the 10th song. Next is Kiddi Kada or Appu Shatapu. This is a game played by the girls and the boys. It is still common among some of the children. This game is played within a small boundary or court drawn on the ground and with a piece of stone. Kikli. This is another game basically for women. Two girls claps their hands and move in the circle. This was a game which was played by 2 or 4 girls or more even, kite flying, patangbaji. It is now very much an urbanized game and is popular with the rural people as well. It is related to Basant Panchami and now it is internationally popular. Next is Kotla Chpaki. This game is popular even today. Among us the children, both boys and girls plays it. Children sit in a circle and child who has cloth in hand goes around the circle singing. It is a kind of warning for the children sitting in a circle not to look back. The cloth is then dropped at the back of the child. If it is discovered before the child who had placed it there and completed the round, the child who discovered the cloth would run after him and try to touch him with it till he sits in the place vacated by one who had discovered the cloth. The next is Latu, played mostly by the boys. Lukan Miti, hide and seek. This was also played both by boys and girls and continues till today. Two teams can also play this. One has to hide, the other has to see. But before doing it, a call is given. The next is martial art. This is also a part of the teaching in the Akhadas where the boys learned the use of weapons, Nihang practices, martial arts to keep up their traditions. Gatka is the martial art of Punjab having Sikh traditional heritage. It is played by the Nihangs. Rasakasi, tug of war. The man generally played this game, but these days women also participate in this game, which is played by two teams. A line is drawn between the two teams, each having one end of the rope in its hands. The team which is able to drag the other team to its side is the winning team. Next is Tranjana. One of the popular organized form of work and entertainment for the young girls is Tranjana, where the girls spin and sing. Tranjana is a kind of social club which can be organized in any home where place for singing wheels and the girls is available for a day or the night. The girls would sing and dance, would expose their sorrows and happiness, pains of separations and joy of meeting. The spinning wheel plays a significant role in the life of the woman as a companion, counselor, in distressed friend and guide. Next is Tej. Tej or Tiya. This is celebrated in the month of Sawan, that is July, August, and is also a source of entertainment for the girls. Tej festival starts on the third day of Sawan and continues for about 13 days. The girls celebrate it by having slings. Apart from it, there are champat, shatranj, camel, bullock races, cockfighting, kabutarbaji, chakorbaji, paterbaji. Recently, a couple of years back, the Punjab government have started another Tiyana Mela. It is basically for those girls who are married and for long years they didn't return to their parental. Now under this, every girl after her marriage, she comes to her native place and all the girls leaves and the sings. It is almost related to the Tiya, but it is termed as the Tiya da Mela. Thank you very much.